What's up, guys? 2017 Flawless Half Case Random number 6. Going live. Timestamp is 932. Already have the teams and the names in. We randomize both. Wherever you end up on the spreadsheet is who you get. 3 is not going to work. It has to be 4 or more. 4. Okay. 4 will work. Little 4 times on the teams. Eagles on top, Bucks on the bottom. BRGQGJ is the code. Let's do the names. 4 more. 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Ralph on top. Damn, Ralph, you got, what's that, 4 in a row? Ralph on the bottom. IIUDAF is the code. Again, wherever you line up, that's who you got, guys. There you go. Whoops, I guess I left some check marks on people. Those are your teams. Thanks, guys. Good luck to everybody. And we are done. Timestamp 933.